All right, so what is the title, everyone? The title is In My Town. What do you see on the cover? I see a bunch of buildings that we can call like a house, right? These look like houses. So it looks like we're going to be talking about our neighborhood, our town, right? So let's go on to the next page and start. This is my house. I live here. Who do you see on the page? I see a boy. I see a good. What are they wearing? What color? How's the weather? What do you see up in the sky? It's smiling. All right, so let's go on to the next page. There is a police station. I can be safe. What happens at the police station? Who is at the police station? What do they drive at the police station? Can you make a police car sound? Good, right? Yeah, that's the police car sound. Yeah, make the police car sound. And what color are the lights of a police car? There is a hospital. I can stay healthy. Very good. So we're at the hospital. Who is at the hospital? What happens at the hospital? When do we go to the hospital? What car do they drive at the hospital? Very nice. There is my school. I can learn there. Very nice. You can be at school and you can learn there, right? Who is at school? What do you do at school? And what do we need to ride to go to school? Very good. There is a post office. I can send my letter. Who is at the post office? Who helps us send and deliver our letters? There is a park. I can enjoy the picnic. Is there a park near your house? There's a park right next to my house. I really like my park. What can you do at the park? Good. What else can you do? If you were to have a picnic, what can you do at the picnic? What can you eat at the picnic? What do you see on the page? So here is a given map of a town. You are going to create your town by using this map, and you're going to fill them up using these pictures. You're going to cut them out. You're going to show me in your town where your house is, where the bus station is, where the hospital is, police station, coffee shop, library, airport, restaurant, barber shop, bank, church, post office, fire station, prison, crematorium. You don't have to use everything. There's a kindergarten, a fueling restaurant, and school. You don't have to use everything. Here are some cars: taxi cab, school bus, bicycle, fire truck, ambulance, police car, just a car. And you're going to cut these out and decorate your town. And you're also going to cut these out and glue them back on to our story. You're going to cut these out and you're going to glue them on to the pages of our story here. All right, let's go on to our worksheet. All right, so let's look at our town words. We're going to draw a line matching the words to the picture. So let me get my pen out. So the first one you see, what does that look like? Do you know what that looks like? We go here if there was a crime, if it feels dangerous, we go to this place. The police station, very good. So go ahead, connect it right here. Whoop, I'm gonna use black. Police station. The next one, I see a big envelope on top of the building. Do you know what this is? So where do we go to send letters? Where do we go to send and receive letters? We go to the post office. Yeah, we go to the post office. And then where do we go when we are hurt, when we are sick? To maintain our good health, we would need to go to the hospital. Very nice. We would go to the hospital. The next one here, you usually go to this place. I went here a long time ago. You usually go to this place and you go almost every day when it's not summer break or winter break. You meet your friends here, your teachers here. What is this place called? This place is called a school. It is a school. The next one, we can come here to have a picnic, to walk our dogs, to play with our friends, to go on a walk. This is called a park. Yes, this is the park. Whoops. And this is where you live. Where do you live? You live in a house. Very good. So the first one we have. So what is the first one? It's where you live. It's called a house. Yes, it is called a house. House starts with the letter H, right? H. So let's spell it together. We have H-O-U-S-E. Very nice. The next one we have is school. School. This is where you go almost every day. School. School. So can you spell school? S-C-H-O-O-O. So what is that going to be? O-O-L. Very nice. The next one we have is the police station. Can you say police station? Police station, station, station. S-T, very nice. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. And then we have station, S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Very good, station, police station. The next one we have is hospital. Hospital. Can you say hospital? Hospital. Spell it. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. 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 So that is going to be H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. Whoops, my L looks weird. Hospital. The next one we have is a post office. Can you say post office? Post office. Post office. P-O-S-T. So once again is S-T. P-O-S-T-O-F-F-I-C-E. Post office. Post office. Very good. The next one we have is called park. Park. Ark. Is it going to be A-R or E-R? Park. 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 P-A-R-K. Park. Very nice. Let's go on to the next page. So who works at this place? Who works at this place? So the first one, what does it look like? It looks like the post office. Who works at the post office, everybody? The mailman, the delivery man. The delivery mailman works at the post office. The next one, it's the fire station. Who works at the fire station? Very good. Firefighters. Firefighters. So go ahead, connect it to the firefighters. The next one we have is a school. School is somewhere we go to learn. Who helps us learn? They teach us. Teachers. We go to school to see our teachers. The teachers work at school. The next one is a place where we go when we get hurt, when we are in pain. We go here to become healthy. So who works at the hospital? The doctor works at the hospital. And finally, when there's danger, when we are not safe, where do we go? We go to the police station. And who works at the police station? Police officer. Very nice. Let's go on to the next page. So you know how to do the picture puzzle, right? Go on to the next page. You're going to cut this picture out, glue it on, and then we're going to write the title together. So what is the title? The title is called Village on the Lake. So here we go. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village, on, O-N, the, T-H-E, lake, L-A-K-E. Village on the Lake, V-I-L-L-A-G-E-O-N-T-H-E-E-L-A-K-E, Village on the Lake. So let's look. What does not belong? So the first items that I see a walkie-talkie, a handcuffs, a gun, and a clock. It looks like these items belong to it belongs to a police officer, but something does not belong. I wonder what doesn't belong. I believe it's going to be this clock. I don't think the police officer needs a clock. The next one I see is a stethoscope, an umbrella, a wheelchair, and a shot, right? And an injector, a shot. We would see these items at a hospital. We would see these at a hospital, but one of them does not belong. Which one? Umbrella. Very good. An umbrella. Make this X better. There we go. So the next items we have a mail bag, we have a mailbox, a fire hydrant, and a stamp. It looks like most of these items belong to the mailman and the post office, right? But one of them does not look right. What is it? The fire hydrant. Good. A firefighter is going to need the fire hydrant. The next one we have safety gloves, a globe, a blackboard that says A plus B. And the next one, and finally, we have a notebook. Where are we going to find these items? We can find these items in a school. Very good, school. But which item does not belong? I think the safety gloves do not belong. The next one, we have a tree, a fire extinguisher, a bench, and a light. I think we can find a majority of these things in a park. But what doesn't belong? The fire extinguisher. So go ahead and X that out. Good job. Let's go to the next page. Shape of my town. So in this town, there are many, many shapes. We're going to look for them and count them and write it down. So number one, how many triangles are there? If I see and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, This is not exactly a triangle, so I'm not going to put that down. It looks like there are 7 triangles. How many rectangles are there? Ooh, a lot of rectangles. A lot of rectangles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to say 12. I'm sure that there's more. I know that there's more, but roughly we're going to say 12. How many circles are there? This one's a bit easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It looks like there are 9 circles. All right, let's go on to the next page. So here's a maze that you can figure out. You're going to get the girl. You're going to help the girl to go back to school. So go ahead and try this by yourself. You can do it. My town dot to dot, not dot to dot, dot to dot. It's a typo. So we're going to connect the dots in alphabetical order. This one's pretty easy, right? Gonna help you out. So we have, here we go. A, B, whoops. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and yada, 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 yada. And you're gonna connect the dots to dot, you're gonna do the dot to dot, and then you're gonna complete the picture. Let's go on to the next page. All right, let's spot 5 differences. So I'm gonna get my pen out. All right, there are 5 differences. Can you find them? Did you find them? Do you see them? I see one. There's a red hot air balloon, but here's a green hot air balloon. Ah, the park sign is different. This one's white and this one's red. Ooh, the cars are different. This one's a green car. We have a blue car. We got to find 2 more differences. Can you find them? I found one right here. A red-orange building, an orange-brown building. Our last one. Do you see it? Don't see it yet. Ooh, this one's a little bit hard. Ah, no, I didn't. I didn't find it. Let's see. Ooh, this one's a little bit hard. Did you find it? If you did, you are very, very smart. I did not find it yet. One, two, three, four. There's one more. I'm sure it's very obvious, but I cannot find it. Are you sure that there's 5 differences? I only see 4. I can only find 4. So if you can find the 5th one. Ah, I found it. Wow, this was pretty hard. This was really hard. I found it. Here's a cloud, and there's no cloud here. Aha, this was very tricky, very confusing. All right. So I hope you found everything. We're going to go on to the next page. So let's talk about the places around town. So we're going to read number 1 together. The police station is between the bank and the store. Between means there's something on my left, there's something on my right, and I'm right in the middle. Okay, so let's look for it. The police station. So look for the police station. The police station is right here, is in between, so in the middle, between the bank and the store. So here's the bank, here's store, and it's right in the middle. So is that yes or no? True or false? True means yes, false means no. So true or false? True. Very good. It is true. Number 2, the train station is on Central Street. The train station is on Central Street. Can you find the train station? Here is the train station, and it is indeed on Central Street. So yes or no? Yes. All right. So we're going to say that it's true. True. The bank, number 3, the bank is next to the post office. Next means right next to me. It's right by me. It's right on my side. So let's look for it. Where's the bank? Here's the bank. It's next to the post office. So is there a post office here? No. What about here? No, that's the police station. So is this true or false? This is going to be false. Number 4, the library is in front of the hospital. The library is in front of the hospital. So the library is in front of the hospital. So in front, you are right here where I can see you in front of me. Is that true in this picture though? Tell me, where is the library? Here is the library. And where's the hospital? All the way over here, right? It's all the way over here. So is it in front of the hospital? Is the library in front of the hospital? No, it is not. In order to be in front of something, it has to be very close together, okay? So this is going to be false. Great job. We're going to go on to the next page. So here you're going to create your own town passport. So first, cut these out, and you're going to watch the video and create your own passport. You're going to fill in your information, draw a picture of yourself or glue your picture here. Tell me your name, write the date, and then tell me the name of the town or city you are living in. And in this passport, there's a restaurant. It is a place where we can eat, a movie theater, a place where we can watch movies, school, a place where students can study, playground, a place where we can play with friends, library, a place where we can read books, post office, a place where we can send letters, a bank, a place where we can save money, a hospital, a place where we can be cured, and a park, a place where we can enjoy the picnic. So you're going to cut these out and make them into a passport, to a little passport book. Finally, here we have a market, a place where we can buy many things. And under observations, you can write some interesting things that you saw in these places. Under sketches, you can also draw them out. And once you complete the book, and if you've ever been to those places, if you've ever been to the market, the post office, the bank, hospital, park, movie theater, school, playground, library, a restaurant, you are going to cut out these stamps and glue it on to the square right here. You're going to, whoops, where's my spotlight? You're going to glue them on right here on the square. All right. And then you have your last 2 sight word practice that you are going to do with your mom or dad. Good job, everybody.